Alright y'all, this is my current setup on WRXroxie. You can follow us on Instagram at WRXroxie with an IE at the end. And just basically focuses on my car, which I've had since 2012. I'm the original owner, and I got it since it was hard to get after the disaster in Japan. So been with her, been through a few track days, been with her to the snow. This is my number one right here. My main, even though I have another car. But let's get into like what's already on this car. So one of the first mods I got was from Rally Sport Direct. That was the Cobb SF intake with the box. And obviously after I got that, I got the access port, which was a version 2 at the time, and I upgraded to the version 3 when that came out. But other than that, I also have the Perrin turbo inlet hose already installed. You might not be able to see it, get the light, but I also have a Perrin heat shield, and under that is a turbo blanket as well. Got the Crawford version 2 air oil separator. Really important for doing track days, and that's why I did it. What else? Got a list because just so many things. The Grimspeed boost solenoid. When I got my car pro-tuned by Snail Performance. I also have a Turbo Smart recirculating blow-off valve and a AEM fuel pump. I also have a Cobb fuel pressure sensor as well, which is what my tuner needed to make sure we do it right. So other than that, I mean, you can see that right here, by the way. You can't see this, but I have a cross pipe from Grimspeed underneath, somewhere down there. You can kind of see it. In addition to that, I have a X-Line version of the Mishimoto radiator, and of course, you know, silicone hoses. This isn't the original battery. It is an AGM battery from Rural King. It tends to work out, so I'm just charging it because my car, for some reason, maybe it's the aftermarket alarm system, drains the battery if I don't drive it for too long. So haven't driven it for a few days, might as well just give it some juice. Running the Tanabe strut brace, and my suspension setup is Bilstein's via